here beginning the chaotic birthday weekend. I have no eyelash because I couldn't get them filled. I have to pop out them blue something because it's not going with the outfit. It is now 7:31. The public beaches today. I need to be there by 12. I need to comb that young man ear within an hour. I need to put this on, pack my bags because I'm going to a hotel. Yeah, depressed. I guess I'll see y'all when I put the wig on. I know the battery I did. Can my life get any more shitty? Stay tuned.
20 minutes later.
So guys, I finished my hair, but I'm starting to feel like this is too far back. I don't know if I'm feeling the center part. I only did the center part simply because one, I know it's going to fluff up and like be big and curly. Two, because I wear it in a side part all the time. But that's gonna stay. When I do my makeup and all them something there, I try to contour it so it don't look so big. It's not that bad. So this is how it turned out. This is how my hair turned out. I think it's fine. I'm liking the updo instead of it's let out. I need to fix it though. The curls are curling. Love that. The outfit is outfitting. But I have a fancy bag and fancy shoes this time. The belly just have to be simple this time. Focus on the outfit, focus on the hair. You know, like, I don't want y'all to focus on my shoes and my bag this time. So anytime I have on something, I'm bringing attention to a certain thing. So this time I wanted to pay attention to my hair and my outfit, not my bag and my shoes. You understand? Yeah. So right now we're on the toll and we're heading to Republic Beach. I need to put on my lashes because this is unacceptable. I have like 2 lashes left over. You have to make yourself known, huh? Yeah, that's still one the people know say and I'm me one in here. So I'm depressed. These lashes are long as hell. I don't know if more of them lashes are now, but I'm gonna put on down there, man. See how I like it. So while I try to figure out my life. It's giving volume set though. It's giving almost what I had, but for some reason it just looks like a lot right now. Alright guys, so my lashes are on, and after like snapping for a few and whatever, I think I'm used to them now, and I think I like them. You know, they give volume. They give like a lot of volume. I feel like I'm gonna fix my hair though, because when my hair was up earlier it was higher, and I don't think I love this low. Mind you, if I wear it out like this is a whole different vibe, but for some reason I like it when it's like I'm feeling it up. I'm feeling it up. You know, whenever I start talking like this, that means I'm getting a little bit tipsy, and I've been drinking Dragon. Lost one of my earrings, so I'm actually really pissed about that. More I'm pissed, brother, but more I done my Dragon before I'm going. You see a mark on my hand, it's foundation. I tried to put the band on this hand so my jewelry could cover it, but it's not doing a good job. Thank God. Thank God. Boy. Thank God. I'm go live.
Hey, homie hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the neck. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went sick. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. They only give a living plus one, so I never put them to the neck. Bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. 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 Kind of drunk too. Put it on. It's not in there. Oh.
It's your fucking birthday. It's your fucking birthday.
So guys, it is my birthday. As you can see, my have like 3 lashes left. Yesterday when I put on the strip lashes on top of these, when I take off the strip lashes, the one of the lashes that are looking at this come out with it too. And that actually really hurt, but you know, it's whatever. I think my sister still some glue. I think I still see a little bit of glue on top, but whatever. So I'm just going to talk to her for a minute before you know, I get into the hotel and whatever, because I had a little sneak peek of when I just got here last night, but it was literally right after the party, and yeah, I'm really tired. So come go. I just knocked out because I was up from like 5 o'clock yesterday, and yeah, I can't do the all night thing. But today I'm going to take all of today to explore this hotel and have fun, whatever, because yeah, I'm not here for too long. I leave tomorrow. That sucks because you know we kind of waste the whole day yesterday, but it is what it is. I'm old. I'm getting old. I don't even know if you can hear with all this breeze that's going on out here. This is the view so far. Not showing y'all too much. Stay tuned for the room tour or whatever. I kind of want to go downstairs, go get some breakfast still. Because the room service takes so long. Because you know, last night we were hungry and get room service. An hour and 30 minutes. An hour and 30 minutes. That is rubbish. I'm not gonna lie. I love that. The thing we know. And you're gonna tell me an hour and 30 minutes. The 2 little sandwich, fries and corn. Rubbish. That made no sense to me. Just here, I decided to just come out here and sit down and just look out. I've been here from like 6. It's probably like after 7 now. It's like on my main page, I don't want to repost any happy birthday stuff, simply because from a repost 1, my DMs are full, and yeah, I don't know, I just feel very overwhelmed and anxious lately. So if I see all of that and all those notifications on my phone going off every second, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I started on my spam already, and that's exactly what happened. So that's just how I'm wired. I can't help it. I already made a mess of the room, so I have to clean it for sure, for giving the room tour and all them Sunday. I also want to try to make like a very informative TikTok about the hotel, because how I even chose this is because I went on TikTok, and TikTok is like my search engine for places to go or places to eat or you know, stuff like that. So of course I watched the reviews and I said, alright, this looks okay enough for me to try. So that's what I did. The room is nice. The room is nice. Well, to me, the room nice to me. It's a nice property. So I'm so sure now. You have to stay tuned for that. I'm not even gonna do that in this video. I'm not gonna watch a separate video for that. So I'm grateful for life. If you guys know me, I know say birthdays are not my favorite holiday. I don't look forward to them, but you know, the people that I love try to make it good for me. So for that, I'm appreciative. It's just some past trauma where I don't like birthdays, so I just never look forward to them, or I don't ever expect anything major. But when things happen, I am really grateful. And the thing is, I don't know how to accept gifts. So like if somebody give me a gift, I'll always be telling people like, it's fine, you don't need to give me a gift, because it's like I don't know how to accept it. Like I'm gonna say thank you, but I don't know if I'm going to like jump up and down and scream and look all excited. Like deep down I know I'm like, wow, I really appreciate this, but it might not show on my face, and it's simply because I just don't know how for, you know, I don't know if it that makes sense right now, but I don't know, it's just a me thing though. And you know, today is the 31st of July. Next month we're back with the banger videos. By the time this goes up, that would already, I think this would be the first video to go up probably. So yeah, we starting back with the content. I know on the side of the ear video them, but you know, they make me money. So I can't stop them, I'm not gonna stop them. I'm sorry, fight me. And if you want more videos like content, I'm not to support the ear video them. Yeah, when I can just play it, make it running on the background on the laptop or something, mute it. You don't even have to watch it enough. Just make it play out, so it look like when I watch it. You understand me? Leave for one comment, drop a like. All if you don't even watch the video. Just, you know, I need the engagement so more companies can say, you know, when I engage and they can send me more things and we can give them more of the content and I actually like. You understand how everything just work together? Yeah. Wanna work with me work with you. You understand? Please, please. That is my birthday wish for y'all to do for me. Oh yeah. My wiggle lift. I didn't have the correct glue that I normally use. I've been using Got2b and I hate Got2b. So if the wig slip off today, I just so I got this thingy. Mega feet. Can you see it says happy birthday Shelby? I don't want to bend it down too much because I feel like everything will fly out. The inside, I don't know what it is. I have no idea what it is, but it tastes so good.
Say a chala like so come my brother, we're gonna get jerk chicken.
Me no want a jerk chicken.
I want to sit down on pizza stand like a pizza.
Yes. Or if a pizza more whole day. If more pizza whole day, I'm gonna say yes a whole day and eat pizza. And you can't do nothing about it. Go ahead. Goodbye. You know where your room is. I am just a horrible vlogger. So we just had pizza. I didn't even get to record any of the pizza. I'll probably get some more because it was actually really good. Right now we're actually at Hyatt Ziva. So Hyatt Zilara is for adults only, and then Hyatt Ziva is for, it's kid friendly. I think this is where all the food is at, so that's where we're going now. My hair kind of pull up. It is what it is. I went in the pool and I got it wet, and you know what, I'm just thankful that it's curly hair, so I'm not really mad about it. Oh, all these Jamaica flags are up because tomorrow is Emancipation Day, so it's like my birthday celebrated for 2 days, because today and then tomorrow another holiday. You know, 2 bad holidays in the same weekend. Jesus, I really hate to see them 2 little lashes here, but I'm gonna look so bald when I take them off completely, so I know just get used to me with the bald lashes, yeah? I'm on the beach right now. It's probably like, what time? 8:03. It's 8:03. Pool isn't open yet or anything. Nothing really is open yet. So I'm just taking this time to explore, catch my B-roll, and just sit down and relax. You know, I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and relax by myself, and then I'll continue. Yo, this property is huge. I tried walking out yesterday and I was so tired, so today I said I was gonna try to show you guys everything. For some reason I feel like I'm gonna put that in a separate vlog, because when I watch travel vlogs, for example, I looked up this place before picking it, so I saw some vlogs or whatever. I'm never really interested in the vlogs. I was more interested in what the place looks like, how the food is, how the customer service is, that type of stuff. I would want all of that to be in one video, and if I want to watch how you know, are enjoying the time, then I'll go watch a vlog. I don't know if that's the case. I'll probably like ask you guys on my story which one you'd prefer to see, but I prefer it that way, instead of one long thing and then I'm trying to skip to the parts where I actually want to see. So my birthday is complete. Yesterday was my birthday. I did not do much vlogging yesterday. I was just kind of enjoying the moment. I was supposed to have a birthday dinner last night, but couldn't bother. I'm too tired. We did still go to dinner, but I was basically in casual clothes. Mind you, my clothes I'm done. I cannot believe how dunce I am. Please tell me why I'm pack like 3 or 4 shots. I'm not have blows. I don't have no blows. I brought one top and I ate my wear last night. See me in the boy clothes now. That's a scabby. But I'm gonna put it back on because what gonna beat me? Nobody can beat me. I'm gonna wear it back. It's kind of bummed because I knew I packed one of those shorts for a reason, so I could take like this really cute picture out by, there's this seat, there's this black, white and gold seat. Whereas today's Emancipation Day, so I could probably like post that picture on Independence Day or something. I don't know, kind of corny. I hope you guys can hear me with this sea breeze. Yesterday we wanted to do water sports, but they said that the sea was too rough, you know, and they're not doing anything under these conditions. But I'm gonna go over, well, I'm not seeing anybody there right now, but I want to ask them if today looks better, because we actually were supposed to check out today and we decided to say, yo, we can't do that because we could not do everything yesterday. And I'm happy we actually got another day because see, we didn't get to do no water sports yesterday, so hopefully we can do it today, and if not, hopefully we can do it tomorrow. I know when they check out, I think you still have some time to stay on the property and, you know, do whatever. So we see how that goes. My eyelash them, mind your business. Just mind your business. Yo, we can chat, you know. So this is where I came yesterday to ask about the water sports. So they have some little sailboats there. They have the kayaks over here. I think they said we can do boogie boarding as well. But I want to see the guy to ask him if we can actually do any water sports today. So I don't know. So guys, I'm over at the Ziva part. As I said, the pool's still not open yet, but over there is a little restaurant. That's where we had dinner last night.
Look, me see him and kill me.
So this is the swimsuit that I wore earlier. I don't think I took videos of me in it because after I talked to you guys and the battery died, went upstairs, put it to charge, then came back down. Yo, me look burn up differently enough. Like, I've been sending snaps to my friends and they have all been saying that I look burnt, and I am actually starting to see it now that I do look a little toasty. Listen, these are killing me. I'm going to take them off because what am I really walking around with on my eyes? Non-existent. But for some reason, the two little pieces of lash them, they do something. I don't know what they do, but they do something. And I accidentally came out here in my bed slippers, so I feel like a real scabby. It's giving very much scabby right now. What I want to do is go explore the rest of the Ziva and some Rose Hall, what do you call it, some other place that looks interesting to me. So I don't want to use all the storage on this, so I'm just gonna chillax for a little. Out here is so hot. I'm just gonna relax for a little bit and then go around there. This is my passport. Let me show you guys properly. So this is my passport, and inside is, hold on, kind of don't want them to say government name. So yeah, that's what it is. That right there is our key to go inside the room. It shows you the different restaurants, bars, what you can do, all that stuff. And then on the back it has like a map of where everything is, which I have not been following. I've kind of just been walking around, but I do want to explore at least 85 or 90% of whatever is going on here. So I guess my exploration continues. That's what's up. I want a next drink. I feel like I need a drink if I go do all this exploring. I'm going to time myself and see if I can be back in the room in 30 minutes, because I actually want to get cute tonight and put on my nice little dress and go eat some dinner. The place that I wanted to eat dinner though, the reservation is closed, but the girls said they might be able to take walk-ins. I highly doubt it because today is Emancipation Day, and yeah, probably everybody just want to be cute or something. But I feel away. I'm so stupid. I literally forgot to make the reservation. I should have did it yesterday, you know. I should have did it yesterday, but whatever. So it goes. Well, we're gonna see what's what. Yeah. I don't think I showed you guys this earlier. So this is the other pool. We haven't been in this one. I don't know why, but that is that. I'm just sightseeing right now. That's why I know I was very lazy today, because why didn't I know that there were actually 3 pools here and not 2? I'm seeing one more pool right here. So that's another pool. The cabanas are really cute, but I don't feel like I need to pay $200 or $300 for a goddamn cabana when chair there. I can't go sit down and I know I'm gonna spend more than an hour on it. So, oh, this pool is nice. I should have came to this one. And then the bar. I think I'll get a drink. Hey, this is gonna look so pretty at night with all these lights wrapped around the trees. I love how they come out for Jamaica though, with all the Jamaica flags and stuff. Over here is so pretty. I hate that. Zilara gives pretty, but this gives a different type of pretty. I guess they're playing like, I don't remember the name of the game. This is where I want to come tonight. Let's dine together. I think maybe another restaurant or something is up there. I see a deli down here. I saw the Fusion restaurant down there as well. And then, you know, you have like gift shop stuff here. I can tell you, I saw 4 people that know me here. Lie, 6 people. 6 people. One of the persons that work at the front desk, one of them that works at that bar, he knows me from literally Portland, brother. Like, what the hell? I saw 7 lies. Oh my god. I saw a couple seashells. I feel like me walk the wrong way. Where am I going? We're just gonna go vlog and pretend, say, you know, I didn't mean to come around here. But yeah, guys, this is another part. And now I'm walking back because my shame I kill me. I think I came up here already. Yeah, we're not doing this again. If anything, I'll try to record it from the front, but I'm tired. And the people that look at me through them window now, I'ma feel shame I kill me.
On your side, our connection is rare to find.
So yellow in here.
I'm not gonna let you go.
So I just want you guys to see something, right? This is my head right now, right? So the reason I cannot wear it out is because, yeah, apparently when I dyed it the first time, like before it reached platinum, I missed the spot. So what had happened was my wig is completely ruined and I'm really trying to fix it right now, and I don't know if I can. This is what we're working with. Channel youth. This is my advice to you guys. Do not go on vacation with no curly hair and going in a bag of pool. Like, I catch up with something, going to the pool. The worst thing I could have done, might as well just let it go and let it flow, because I took my thingy out and it not up around it, and I don't know how to fix this now, to be very honest, but I'm gonna try because it's my favorite wig. So if not, I have to buy back one because I really love it. Cut up. I got a tan, like when I was calling my friends and they must say, yo, you get black. I did not believe it till now. Like the tan there. Anyways, we're gonna try sort this out and come back. Today's the last day, so we're checking out today. Yeah, just give me a few. Well, people, this is as far as Marie. So that twist, there's another one on that side, and this is what I have left. This is how much came out. Trust me, it's a lot more than it looks like. It's because it's wet. And then there's a big knot in the back, and I was trying to pull apart one of them, you know, trying to take my little time and comb it out, and this is the result. I'm gonna take a break and just go get some breakfast, because this is depressing bad.
1 hour later.
As one gone, and next one born. And this is why people, when I must travel with 2 wigs, because mind you, no spray on or nothing. Obviously this is why I have this on, but the show must go on. My one little blouse, I'm gonna tie it up and put on my little shorts, and I wait for breakfast. Yeah, I must be prepared for stuff like this. Just ignore them something over here. Yeah, checking out today. But yeah, first we gotta eat some food and then take our black asses out of here. So yeah. Alright, it's 10:06 now, and may I try clean up the room? No, simply because I want to do the room tour when it's all clean. And yeah, we have to clear out the fridge. Yeah, everything got to go.
Right.
Money well spent. That's a scabby. Okay. And then up on my foot. Got to go. Yeah, I'm got to go. Yeah. 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 And I'm taking these too. This coffee and tea thing. I know somebody will want them. I'm gonna drink coffee, so it's clearly not for me.
Nothing in here. Just
No, nothing now, yes. Nothing now, dash way. Yeah, that. So I'm checking out now. We had lost one of our keys, so now we have 3. So at least we found it back. We literally found it lying around on, like, I think someone found it and put it on the edge of somewhere, and I'm like, I feel like this is ours. So I took it up and then tried it on the door, and lo and behold, it was ours. So yeah, just waiting on the girl to come back so we can check out. Don't know if we're gonna lounge around or if we're just gonna go home. Kind of feel like I'm just gonna go still tired. So yeah.